sensibility and practicality define the 2008 Ford F-150 Super Crew. A 5.4-liter V8 engine pairs with a sophisticated 4-speed automatic transmission, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Four-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. Top features include a split folding rear seat, front and rear reading lights, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, and remote keyless entry. Ford ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. We'd also be happy to help you arrange financing for your vehicle. Stop in and take a test drive.